Living in Clearwater, Florida, means enjoying sunny days and coastal breezes, but it also means facing the potential threat of hurricanes. As a homeowner, ensuring the safety of your property and loved ones during hurricane season should be a top priority. One of the most effective ways to safeguard your home is by installing hurricane-resistant replacement windows. These windows are specially designed to withstand the intense winds and flying debris that come with severe storms, offering peace of mind and protecting your home from costly damage. In this article, we'll explore the benefits of hurricane-resistant replacement windows and why they are a smart investment for homeowners in Clearwater. Enhanced protection against hurricanes. The primary benefit of hurricane-resistant windows is their ability to provide superior protection during storms. Unlike standard windows, which can shatter easily under high winds, hurricane-resistant windows are built to withstand the extreme conditions that accompany a hurricane. These windows are made with laminated glass or tempered glass, which is significantly stronger and more impact-resistant than regular glass. Hurricane-resistant windows are designed to stay intact even if debris strikes them, reducing the risk of breakage and preventing water from entering your home. By minimizing the chances of broken windows, you not only protect your home from wind and water damage but also reduce the risk of injury from flying glass shards. Improved safety and security. In addition to protecting your home from storms, hurricane-resistant windows also improve your overall home security. These windows are built with reinforced frames and impact-resistant glass that make it more difficult for burglars to break in. Whether you're concerned about the safety of your property during a hurricane or simply want to enhance your home's security year-round, hurricane-resistant windows offer added peace of mind. For Clearwater homeowners, this added security is especially important due to the possibility of storm-related damage and the presence of potential intruders during evacuation periods. With these windows, you can rest assured that your home is both storm-proof and secure. Increased energy efficiency. Another major advantage of installing hurricane-resistant replacement windows is the improvement in energy efficiency. These windows are designed with advanced insulation features, such as low-E coatings and multi-pane glass. The enhanced insulation helps to regulate the temperature inside your home by reducing heat transfer. During the summer, they can help block out the sun's heat, keeping your home cooler and reducing the need for air conditioning. In the winter, they help retain indoor warmth, reducing the strain on your heating system. With Clearwater's hot and humid summers, hurricane-resistant windows can make a significant difference in keeping your home more comfortable and energy efficient year-round. The added insulation also helps to lower your energy bills, making it an investment that saves you money over time. Protection against UV damage. Hurricane-resistant windows also offer protection from harmful ultraviolet (UV) rays, which can cause fading and damage to furniture, flooring, and other interior items. Many hurricane-resistant windows come with low-E glass coatings, which reflect UV rays while still allowing visible light to enter your home. This feature helps preserve the condition of your furniture, carpets, and artwork, ensuring that the sun's rays don't cause premature fading or deterioration. In Clearwater, where sunlight can be intense, this added protection helps to maintain the beauty of your home's interior and prolong the lifespan of your belongings. Reduced noise pollution. One of the often overlooked benefits of hurricane-resistant windows is their ability to reduce outside noise. The laminated or impact-resistant glass used in these windows acts as a sound barrier, reducing noise from traffic, construction, or nearby events. This feature is particularly beneficial for homeowners living in areas near busy streets or other sources of noise. By reducing noise pollution, hurricane-resistant windows help create a quieter, more peaceful living environment inside your home. Whether you're looking for a peaceful night's sleep or simply want to enjoy a more serene atmosphere, these windows can make a noticeable difference. Increased home value. Investing in hurricane-resistant replacement windows not only protects your home but also increases its value. Potential buyers in Clearwater are more likely to be attracted to a home with storm-resistant features, especially in a region prone to hurricanes. Homes with hurricane-resistant windows are seen as safer, more secure, and more energy efficient, making them highly desirable in the real estate market. If you're planning to sell your home in the future, hurricane-resistant windows can help increase its resale value and make it stand out from other properties. The added protection and long-term savings on energy bills are attractive selling points for buyers. Peace of mind during hurricane season. Perhaps the most significant benefit of installing hurricane-resistant windows is the peace of mind they provide. When a hurricane or severe storm approaches, you'll have confidence knowing that your home is better protected from the damaging effects of high winds, debris, and rain. You won't need to worry about rushing to install storm shutters or worrying about potential breakage. With hurricane-resistant windows, you'll be ready for whatever the season brings, allowing you to focus on the safety and well-being of your family instead of worrying about potential damage to your home. Conclusion. Hurricane-resistant replacement windows are a smart investment for homeowners in Clearwater who want to protect their homes, enhance energy efficiency, and increase their property's value. These windows offer superior protection against hurricanes and severe storms, improve security, and reduce energy bills. Additionally, they provide UV protection, sound insulation, and peace of mind during hurricane season. Whether you're looking to safeguard your home from the next storm, reduce your energy costs, or simply upgrade your home's appearance and security, hurricane-resistant windows are a wise and long-lasting solution. Don't wait for the next hurricane to strike. Invest in hurricane-resistant windows today and ensure your Clearwater home is ready for whatever comes your way.